Welcome back to the fourth installment of ebm-papst RPM FanScout tutorial. I'm Owen Butler, and today we'll cover how to select a fan grid, an array of fans based on a total required airflow and static pressure. From the homepage of FanScout, click on the FanGrid tab. First, we'll want to make sure we're searching the right collection. Check your collection, air density, and voltage. If everything is okay, click Search. FanScout will load the fans you selected, and now you can input your operating parameters, up to 5 operating points. For example, you may have winter and summer modes, day and night modes, or normal and emergency modes. The number of hours for each row is cumulative to equal a full year, meaning you can enter a maximum of 8,736 hours. After the operating points, we can add the number of redundant fans and choose whether or not there is backflow. Here, we'll assume we have dampers to prevent backflow. Additionally, you can select an exact number of fans or let the program show you the most efficient combinations. Finally, enter your total available space and click Calculate FanGrid. The program will take a moment to run through all the calculations and then show you the different fan options. In the top left here, you can see the fan part number of fans required, and energy consumption. Now, some of these are a little ridiculous. 92 280mm fans? That isn't practical. So we can apply a filter in the bottom right to limit the max number of fans to 20. Now we only have 3 fan options, and they are still organized from most to least efficient. Below that table, there's a table of the highlighted fans' operating information: efficiency, power consumption, speed, and more at each operating point. Below this is the air performance chart, with each operating point shown by a colored bubble. The bubble size matches the number of hours the fan will operate at that operating point. Now we can pop up the sound data, which shows the sound power for one fan at the operating point. If you would like to show the sound power for the full fan array, go to Options in FanGrid, then check off Enhance Sound Data. The additional decibels to add for the number of fans in the array are now shown in parentheses. These will change based on the number of fans in the array. Other charts available are graphs of the total input power and total static efficiency. The last option is to also include the installation layout. You can see this in the main screen as well by clicking the FanGrid Layout button. It provides graphical and tabular data. As with the other tabs, you can print this out as a PDF. Just click FanGrid Protocol and select the options you want displayed on the PDF. As it has more information, this PDF is 2 pages long. That completes this installment of ebm-papst RPM FanScout tutorials. You now know how to use the FanGrid search feature. Please join us next time to learn how to create a lifecycle cost from the FanGrid feature.